Have you ever wondered why your fridge door closes so tightly, or how your pencil box lid sticks shut without a lock? The secret behind this magic is magnets. Today, let's start exploring the amazing world of magnets. Let me ask you first, can we use magnets to find directions? Do magnets stick to everything or only to some special materials? Were magnets used in ancient times too? Let me tell you a story. Reshma lived in a coastal town of Kerala. She loved writing stories for her grandmother. Once, she imagined a ship carrying spices from Kerala in olden days. In her story, the ship got stuck in a storm. The sky was full of clouds, so sailors could not see the stars to find their way. What could they do now? Reshma searched in her school library and found that travelers in olden times used a device called the magnetic compass. This compass has a magnet inside it, which always points towards the north. Isn't that amazing? Reshma had seen magnets before, in pencil boxes, in purses, even in her classroom duster. But she never thought much about them. Long ago, people discovered natural magnets called lodestones. Later, they found that magnets could also be made by humans, using iron. Today, we use many types of artificial magnets. These magnets can be of different shapes, like a bar magnet or a U-shaped magnet. Now let's think. Can you name some common items around you that have magnets attached to them? Have you seen different types of magnets? Can you guess why they are made in different shapes? Do you think magnets stick to all objects or only to some special materials like iron? So today we learned how magnets are not just useful for closing our pencil boxes, but also for guiding sailors across the oceans. Now, before we end, here are some questions for you to think about. Why do you think a compass needle always points to the north? What would happen if magnets attracted everything? Can you list 3 places at home where you find magnets being used?